Welcome aboard the Christchurch Tramway restaurant, New Zealand's only dining tram. Combining sumptuous food with a chance to experience the vibrancy and heritage of Christchurch's inner city. Savour a four-course dinner of seasonal cuisine prepared with fresh local produce.
Enjoy your meals.
And complemented by a selection of fine wines from the Canterbury region, all in the comfort of our restored colonial-era dining carriage. Let our friendly onboard staff serve you while you glide past historic buildings, through exciting new developments, and alongside the leafy green spaces of the Garden City. From an intimate dinner for two or a larger group booking, the Christchurch Tramway restaurant promises a memorable dining experience. To book, go online to welcomeaboard.co.nz.